is the canal. And this is the canal you can see here. Short implant has been placed. Short continue to engage ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You can go some more deep. Okay. You can go some more deep. And regarding the ಟೀತ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ this first premolar. Second premolar. Okay. Second premolar. Okay. Then we are going towards the implant. Okay. Check the other clips. This is a conventional implant. Okay. Just perforated the myloid ridge. Perforation is below the myloid ridge. It is just touching. You can engage another 1 mm if you want. Okay.
Away from the canal.
This is the canal. This is the canal. This is the canal, and there is a sufficient distance from canal to the apical tip of the implant. Okay. Sufficient distance is there. So this is the canal. This is the lingual cortical engagement, lingual nerve bypass technique. What we have done here. Okay. Okay. So definitely we can engage another 1 mm, 2 mm. We can engage it. So let's just touch the now. Now if we come to this one.